David, wake up! Wake up!
Emma, what's happening?
The flood is inside our house! Mom, my feet are wet!
Dad, the door won't open!
The water is too strong!
Stay together. Don't panic.
Mom, the water is getting higher.
Our table is floating! Everyone!
Go upstairs! Look outside!
The whole street is underwater.
I can't see any cars. Dad, please help us.
Hold my hand. Don't give up!
Will we survive this flood? Wow, the rain is very heavy. I like rainy days.
Eat your breakfast first. The weather looks strange.
Dad, can we play outside later?
Maybe, if the rain stops.
I want to ride my bicycle. We will see later.
The news is starting. Heavy rain may cause floods today. Please stay safe.
What is a flood? Too much water everywhere.
Will our house be okay?
I hope so.
Let's stay inside today.
Okay, Mom.
The rain is getting louder.
The wind is very strong.
Close all the windows. I'll lock the front door. The river is very full.
That's not good.
Should we be worried? Just stay calm.
Dad, look outside. The garden is full of water. The water is moving fast.
Bring your backpacks.
Pack some clothes.
Take water bottles.
I have my flashlight. I have teddy bear.
The water reached the front door. It's coming inside.
Stay away from the door.
Mom!
Leave everything.
Your safety comes first.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Dad, the lights went out. It's so dark.
Stay close to me. Use the flashlight.
The water is cold. It is above my knees.
Keep moving upstairs. Don't stop. The first floor is full of water.
We cannot stay here.
What do we do now? Go to the roof.
The rain won't stop.
I'm shaking.
You're doing great.
We are together. I hear people shouting.
I hear a boat.
Wave your hands.
They may see us. The boat is coming.
They found us.
Keep waving.
We are here. We are here to help.
Thank you.
Stay together. 4. They found us. Tom, you're safe now.
Okay. Everything will be all right.
We are ready. One step at a time. I made it. Well done, Tom. Anna, you're next.
Anna, you are safe.
I'm ready. You are very brave.
Come on, Anna. Take my hand.
I'm safe. Sit here, Anna. Thank goodness. Carefully, one step.
I'm with you now. Mom!
My turn now. You're almost there. We're all safe.
We made it together.
Let's head to safety. Our home.
We will rebuild.
We are safe now.
We're together. I see lights.
We're almost there.
You both were very brave.
Thank you, everyone.
Welcome. You're safe now.
Thank you so much.
There are many helpers. We'll never forget this. Watch your step.
We made it.
Here is a warm blanket.
Thank you for helping us. Here is something warm.
Thank you.
You are safe now.
We're finally safe. Everyone looks healthy.
I feel much better.
We are safe together. Thank you for saving us. Here you go, Tom.
Thank you very much. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you for everything.
The sun is back. The rain is gone.
It's a beautiful morning. We have a new beginning.
It is safe to go home.
Thank you for everything.
We will always remember your kindness. Let's go home.
Our house.
It looks different. We'll fix it together.
Our home is still here.
I found my book.
Our photos are here.
We can clean this.
We'll rebuild together. Every little step helps.
Our home is coming back.
My books are safe again.
Yeah.
Our memories are safe.
My books are back.
Teddy is home.
Our home feels warm again.
We did it together.
We are home. I feel safe.
Family is our greatest treasure. Together, we can face anything. Tomorrow will be bright.
The rainbow is beautiful.
Hope always returns.